Hello, good morning, students. Today we will move towards the next article, and the name of that next article is Practical Units for Large Distances. Because we are already discussing about the units, the SI units and CGS units of various physical quantities. But our today's topic is practical units for large distances and practical units for very small distances. Now see, if a distance is there, and if we want to measure the distance, then we can measure the distance is in meter and kilometer. Okay, meter, kilometer, it indicates what? That is, distance is nothing but just it is a length. So this meter and kilometer, it is for length. Meter and kilometer that is used for the distance, means what is the distance traveled by any object, or what is the distance traveled by any other particle. So it is measured in meter or kilometer. Okay, suppose our bike or our car is moving, or it travels the distance near about 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometers, so this 40 kilometer, this is the length of the path, or we can say distance. But if a distance is, in short we can say, if the distance is large, suppose the distance of moon from the earth is, or the distance from the sun to our earth is, so at that time we cannot use this meter or centimeter or kilometer. So these units are not sufficient for that. Okay, so if two objects are there and they are very far apart from each other, then which unit can be used if two objects are at a very large distances? So for large distances there are quite different units. So let us we discuss about that. Different units are, so first unit is here, that is astronomical unit. Say the word astronomical. A stands for what? That is astronomical, and U stands for unit. So astronomical units indicates what? The astronomical units indicates, suppose this one is the earth. Okay, so this one is the earth and this one is center of earth, we can say, and suppose here at this place a sun is there, and if we want to measure the distance between these two, so this one is the sun, this one is the earth. So if we want to measure the distance is between two objects, okay, so it is not measured in meter or in kilometer. Okay, so if the distance between this earth and sun, if we want to measure, so definitely the distance is in AU. AU stands for what? Astronomical unit. 1 AU, astronomical unit. So astronomical unit is always, it is in meter, that is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. So it is a very large distance, because here 10 to the power 11 is there. So 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter, that is called as astronomical units, and it is represented by AU, astronomical unit, that is AU. What is the meaning of AU? Astronomical unit. And what is the meaning of that astronomical unit? The distance between center of earth and sun. So whatever may be the distance in between these two, that is measured in astronomical unit. Okay, so astronomical unit is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Now next one is light year. So light year can be represented by Ly. Ly means what? Light year. So 1 light year. So 1 light year means how many meter? So 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15, 10 to the power 15 meter. Okay. So see, this one is the large distances, light year as well as astronomical units. These are the large distances and it is measured in different units. If astronomical unit is there, then definitely its value as 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. So you should remember the correct value of one astronomical unit. The correct value of one astronomical unit is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay. Then if one light year is there, then 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter light year. Meaning of light year means what? So what is the speed, or we can say what is the velocity of the distance traveled by the light. Suppose the light is traveling through the vacuum, then if it travels in a year, then we can say whatever may be the distance traveled by that light in a year through vacuum, so that concept is related to light year. Vacuum मधून लाईट ज्यावेळेस ट्रॅव्हल होते त्यावेळेस किती डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल करते एका वर्षामध्ये, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज लाईट इयर. अँड द करेक्ट व्हॅल्यू फॉर लाईट इयर इज 9.46 into 10 to the power 15. Another unit is there, that is parsec. Parsec means what? It is a parallaxic second. It is also called as parallaxic second. So sometimes the questions may be asked on this parsec. So 1 parsec is equal to, so the correct value for parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. Now see, these are the 3 units which you have to use for measuring a distance. In short, we can say distance means what? It is a large distance. The distance must be large. Okay, so for large distances you can use, that is one astronomical unit, then 1 light year, then 1 parsec. Okay, now let us move towards practical units for very small distances. So actually large distances and very small distances, if we want to measure it, so there are quite different units we have to measure. Okay, we have to use. Now see, so here the large distances are here, in which astronomical units, then light year, then parsec. These are the we can say units, large units to measure the length, or we can say distance. But condition is both the object must be at very large distances. Now let us move towards the practical units for very small distances. The practical units for like this. So 1 micron. So see here, 1 micron can be written as, that is 1 mu m. What is this? Mu m. 1 mu m. Mu stands for what? 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Then 1 nanometer. So nanometer means what? Nm. Nm, that is nanometer. 1 nanometer, that is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom. Here a to the power here 0. So you can represent this angstrom like this. Just draw capital A and put here one bubble on the head of capital A. So this indication is 1 angstrom, and 1 angstrom is always equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 Fermi. Fermi stand for 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So whatever may be the small units, okay, so you must know the meaning of this, because it is helpful for solving the problems. Okay, so these are the very small distances. These are the very small SI units to measure small distances. So small distances means what? If distance is in micron, then you can take 10 to the power minus 6. If distance is in nanometer, then you can take 10 to the power minus 9 meter. If it is in angstrom, then 10 to the power minus 10 meter is there. Then 1 FM, that is 1 Fermi is there, then you can take 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So these are the SI units for measuring very small distances. So have you understood this? Because these are the very simple. We have seen up to this, that is what is the units to measuring different physical quantities. It may be fundamental quantities, it may be additional fundamental quantities, or it may be supplementary quantities. So we have seen all of this, that is which SI unit is used for which physical quantities. But in this case, distance is large and distance is very small. So at that condition, you have to use these units, that is particular units, astronomical units, light year and parsec. This is for special for large distances, which we have to use in problems also, for solving the problems. If astronomical unit is there, it is given, so you should take one astronomical unit is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Means you should know the actual value of one astronomical unit, one light year and one parsec. Okay, then you can easily solve the problems. Now these are the practical units also, which is used for very small distances. If micron is given to you, then you should take, that is 10 to the power minus 6, then nanometer 10 to the power minus 9, angstrom 10 to the power minus 10, and Fermi 10 to the power minus 15. So these are the SI units. These are the practical units for measuring large distances as well as small distances, very small distances. Okay, so all these units you have to apply to solving problems, to solving MCQs. Okay, for NEET as well as JEE. So you should remember this. We will discuss about the next practical units in our next videos. Till then, thank you.